how you can make $500 to even $1,000 per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing, with Bitcoin offers, with cryptocurrency. Now, why I love this topic is because, you see, this is not video about investing in Bitcoin. No, this is about promoting Bitcoin cryptocurrency info products, okay? And also different investment programs, which can be really high quality, okay? Now, why I'm talking about Bitcoin in this video is because this is a structure that people are aware of. Super structure that is very people are aware of. What I mean by that, it means that there are so many newspapers, TV channels, YouTube videos. Everyone know what Bitcoin is. Okay, you can go to the gas station and pay by Bitcoin. So everyone know what crypto is, right? And people love it because they want to make more money. Now, this is the idea of picking an offer that's already out there. The awareness, it's already built. No one has to go and persuade someone to invest in cryptocurrency 5 years ago, year ago, even today. Everyone wants to do it, wants to make money with cryptocurrency. So this is great. Why? Because you can go on Clickbank and other affiliate networks and promote as an affiliate and get 80 to 90% affiliate commissions paid out instantly. Daily cash. Okay? Now, I'm using Google Ads. I'm also using TikTok ads and TikTok free traffic, free organic audience, right? Without showing my face to promote different products, different niches, all right? Because let's be honest, females, let's say, who are into weight loss, or males who are into weight loss, fitness, gym, they're not only buying weight loss products, they also like dating, right? They also want to make money. So they also have cars, so car insurance, solar panel, right? Health insurance, everything. We are using different products. So it's safe to say that people are buying different products online every single day. Now, as you watch this video, in 2025, what you need, especially with Bitcoin cryptocurrency offer, is to understand the psychology and core emotional state of this audience. Okay? Answer in the comments below. You can even WhatsApp me later or Instagram message me if you want to know what is the secret. What is the core emotion of cryptocurrency, people? Okay, you have to understand that. You cannot just go on ClickFunnels, have a website or blog and promote affiliate link. It doesn't work like that in 2025. You need to have someone who can help you, hand holding you along the way, one-on-one, step by step. This is the reason why I'm not selling courses, because I personally believe, from my own personal experience, when you have someone on your Zoom calls, one-on-one, step by step, helping you, you can fast forward yourself into the future to have way more faster and quality results. And if you're just watching outdated courses for $3,000, $4,000 US, sitting on the chair 6 to 8 weeks at your house, watching on the laptop, right? And then you find out, heck, I need help. And there is no one that will help you. It happened to me. I know how you feel. And it's not your fault. But it is your fault if you are, after watching this video, not taking any action, not doing anything. Because it's safe to say that people are making money online. You can see them. Then why the companies are running ads if they wouldn't be making any money? They're not stupid, right? So as you watch this video, what you have to understand is, you see, you need to have someone who can help you make money online along the way, to show you, okay, what to avoid, which ad structures to use, what kind of ad copy to use, okay, what kind of lists, buyers, clicks to use. Because there is lots of mismatch. You need to have the message, the market match. My friend, once you have this, then you'll be able to start making money online. Because lots of people don't teach you or show you the exact proven system that actually work 200% in 2025. That is not outdated. That used to work many years ago, but today doesn't, right? So as you watch this video right now, you will begin to naturally understand that yes, you can make money, but you do need to have someone who can help you build also personal relationship, to have connection with your coach, with your mentor, to move forward and start having really great results. Now, all you have to do is get started. If you have 20 to 30 minutes a day, you can do this, okay? You don't have to waste lots of time. You don't have to learn anything. Yes, you learn along the way as you are practicing, as you're putting things into the action. Okay, you can see on my Instagram later. Yes, I'm also giving you my personal cell phone number, WhatsApp. Ask yourself, when was the last time some guru, millionaire on Clickbank gave you their personal phone number. To me, never. This is the reason why we are different, because we help you, I help you personally, one-on-one, to get proven, guaranteed results in 2025, as long as you also take action and do something, right? So yes, it's possible to make money online. Okay, now, if you want to reach out to me, yes, there is Instagram, my Facebook Messenger, my email, but only as long as you are serious. If you really want to change your life, or at least make side income, you don't have to quit your 9-to-5 job to do this. Okay, yes, later on, if you decide, you can, but right now, no. You can make your side income, reinvest commissions on Clickbank, because on Clickbank you can get paid daily and weekly. And then once you have the money, yes, then you can do whatever you want. And how much you want to make is entirely up to you. Okay, I can show you how to make it, but how much you make is entirely up to you. Now, if you want to get results, connect with me after watching this video and let's get something started.